Good morning. Today we are doing 28th day of our strike as the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers, still demanding from the county government of Marsabit to implement our return to work agreement that we signed on 14th of April 2025. We are still demanding the provision of comprehensive medical cover, still demanding our promotions and redesignations, still demanding the remittance of our statutory deductions that goes back several financial years back. And to date, there is minimal or lack of effort from the county government trying to resolve the issues affecting the healthcare workers and especially the clinical officers. And we have decided to go on the street to demand for our rights, to demand the implementation of our return to work agreement in full. And we also request His Excellency the Governor to intervene and make an amicable resolution to the ongoing strike so that we go back to our workplaces and serve our community. Because at the end of the day, it's the community that are suffering. And that is our request. And we are also requesting the County Assembly to intervene in a petition that we served to the County Assembly through the Clerk of Assembly to hear and listen to our grievances. Since we started demanding, it's been over 2 years now that we have been demanding for implementation of our return to work agreement, which always ends in lies and falsehood. And we cannot run a government by lies and threats that are coming from the Department of Health especially. So our demand is, in clear terms, is the county government of Marsabit implement the return to work agreement between the Kenya Union of Clinical Officers and the county government of Marsabit. Thank you.
Okay. My name is Shukri Ibrahim Hassan. I am a Marsabit Kuko branch treasurer. Mine is to urge executive to implement our two return to work agreement, also to provide us with a comprehensive medical cover. We have two of our colleagues who are sick, one with a tumor and another one with tuberculosis, and they don't have comprehensive medical cover to cater for their medical bill. We need also the government to solve the issue of perennial salary delay. We don't have money to pay school fees for our children. We don't have money to pay rent. We don't have money to buy food for our family, which is basic needs. Also, pertaining to promotion, some of our colleagues who have been here have been stagnated to one job group for almost 11 years. So we urge the county government of Marsabit to implement our career guideline, which was adopted in 2024 May. Lastly, my plea goes to our governor, to intervene so that we can go back to our work and to serve our community. Thank you.
Wizi anapotea